Carly, live in this vein in Cardiff, and we've lived here 2.5 years. Well, I'm a little bit obsessed with home and interior, and we've done a project previously, but it wasn't our forever home. Then when we moved house, I just was adamant I only wanted to use Sigma. I did shop around because my husband's an accountant, and unless I shop around and, check that we're getting the best deal, he wouldn't have been happy. And I basically identified that Sigma was really reasonable. One of my main aims with the kitchen was to have as little items on show as possible. I want an island that has no joining whatsoever. And Tabitha was brilliant. She rung the supplier, made sure that they definitely have one piece of quartz. I decided to go for the bifold cabinet in my base unit. It gave you access to the cupboards more so, I feel, rather than a standard cupboard door. They thought of everything, the design, the opening of the cupboards, nothing knocks one another, opened up so smoothly. Tabitha advised me that a smaller Bella bin wouldn't suit a large family, and I was so pleased she convinced me to do that, because I have enough cupboard space and the bin is just an absolute godsend. A favourite part of my new kitchen, in all honesty, is my secret pantry / utility. The secret cupboard ensures then I can have the likes of the toaster and the coffee machine and everything out there, not on show. It's easily accessible. Yeah, it's great. I'm so pleased with it. I knew I wanted Neff. I wanted a Neff oven because I wanted to slide and hide. The fact that, the kids could be running back and forth in this room, and they do run back and forth in this room. Having an oven door down obviously is a hazard. So the slide and hide was a huge feature for me. Since having the induction hob is absolutely brilliant. The microwave oven is absolutely brilliant. And it just looks really good as well. So I'm really pleased with it. The installation manager was absolutely wonderful. I was very, very nervous about how is this going to work. But yeah, David was brilliant. And if there was any queries I had, he would come back to me straight away. Since having the kitchen done, it has been such a life-changing thing for us, because as a mum, children would be in one room, I would be in the kitchen, and we just really wouldn't see each other that often. And now I can have my son up on the island and doing his homework while I'm cooking, and my daughter can be in here playing, and it's just much more family-friendly. We don't really use much of the other rooms. I would definitely recommend Sigma 3 to friends and family, and as a matter of fact, I have just recommended Sigma 3 to one of my friends who's in the process of having an extension done, and then Sigma 3 will be in to install the kitchen. So yes, I would.